ho.
Hi.
Merry Christmas. Hi.
Today we're doing the cotton candy challenge. I bought this cotton candy machine and I noticed that you can actually put hard candies in it. I've never made cotton candy before. I've seen it done. I've Googled it. It works. I'm sure. So today we're gonna be making cotton candy with some really weird flavors, some cool flavors and some not so cool flavors. We got Warheads, Lifesavers, we got Werther's, caramel, hard caramel candies, caramel or Jolly Ranchers. Whoa, you gotta get peppermints.
Oh.
These are definitely grandma's favorite. Okay, and we have Ricola. Oh. Okay. Cough drops. We're gonna put cough drops. We're gonna make cotton candy cough drops. Okay, this is what it looks like, guys. Check this out.
Whenever we're sick, we can just have cotton candy cough drops.
Yes, possibly. If you have a cough, we're gonna give you cotton candy cough drops.
That's lit, dude. Yeah, cotton candy.
Gross. Okay, so here it is. Cotton candy maker.
You warm it up for 10 minutes, and this starts spinning like really much. So you need to put the hard candy in here. When you see the cotton candy, you see them go like that, but you don't go like that. You go like this. Like that.
Yes.
Go over.
Wow.
The fluffiness.
Did you guys Google this already or something?
No, you told me. There you go.
We're gonna put a little spin on the cotton candy making.
Oh.
I'm gonna put a bunch of the candy bags in here, and the monkeys are gonna have to reach in one at a time, maybe do rock, paper, scissors, and you have to make what you pull out.
Yeah, I want to make the warhead. I want to make the lifesaver. Let's get to it, buddy. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Who won?
Me.
Ooh, okay, close your eyes. Reach in. Reach in, what do you got? Oh my goodness.
Diddy, cheese.
Okay guys, Warheads, cotton candy.
I really want to see this. Is it going to be sour? Is it going to be like super sour?
We're gonna put 2 lemon warheads inside. Okay, monkey.
Is it going to fly out?
I don't know. Gotta wait till it starts getting all like. Oh, now you can start going.
Oh my gosh, that worked quickly, man. Oh my gosh, this is the best.
Wow.
You guys need to get this.
All right, monkey. I don't know if that's the proper technique, but at least you're getting some cotton candy out of it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's happening. Look at this, guys.
Oh my God.
That is Warheads.
Right away, it just went boom.
Warheads cotton candy.
I didn't think this was gonna work actually.
I didn't think this was gonna work either, but it did.
This is actually working.
All right, sir, you should probably try it. Give it a shot.
Okay.
All right, Warheads, cotton candy. All right, how is that?
Was this sour?
Is it sour?
That's so sour at the end. So, can I try? Lemony. At the end.
Did it work? Yeah, I'll give it a try.
That's so sour.
Oh, but tasty. Warheads cotton candy. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up. Yeah.
That's a thumbs up.
Dun, dun.
Jolly Ranchers! All right.
Let's do blue. Because the last one was yellow. Good. So it's so funny because it turns up like right away. All right. How does it do that?
There's like a little heater inside, and it heats up the candy.
Oh.
Okay.
It's starting to fly everywhere.
I mean, it's not quite like the picture.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, not quite the carnival style, but that's definitely cotton candy.
What's going on?
All right, give it a little tasty taste.
Oh my gosh.
How is that?
Amazing.
Yeah? Does it taste like a Jolly Rancher?
Oh my god. You Jolly Rancher lovers,
Wow.
this is unbelievable. And it's soft.
Scale of 1 to 10.
10.
I'm gonna do. One cherry. The cherry smell is amazing. Something kind of happened. Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys are good. All right, here we go. Oh, I got the scoop. There we go.
Oh.
It's kind of like a microphone, not really like cotton candy, but it's cotton and it's candy, I guess.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
This tastes amazing.
Wow. Cherry Jolly Rancher cotton candy.
Have it on Earth.
That is tasty. Time for you to choose out of the magic bag, sir.
Lifesavers.
Lifesavers!
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! There you go.
Oh.
Lifesavers.
Extravagant.
Ah.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, the lifesaver one looks good. Oh, we should definitely do more lifesavers, especially for the image, for the thumbnail.
The YouTube picture.
Oh, you are a pro at this, Monkey.
Yeah. Let's go back and forth, back and forth.
Oh yeah, that's looking great. All right, give it a try. What does that taste like?
This actually feels more.
Ooh. How is
You
it?
can have some too.
Nom, 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 nom. Mmm. That is tasty.
Orange.
Orange. Okay, let's do orange here.
Oh yeah. Everything's starting to come up, and then the things are gonna start flying out. Too much cotton candy.
Oh wow, that's looking good.
I'm trying to make like on the top, you know.
There you go. Skills. Oh wow.
Push that far.
How's that? Oh my goodness.
I really want to do the caramel.
You want to do the caramel? We're gonna do the caramel! One caramel
That's
melly.
one spoonful of deliciousness. Oh, don't drop that. Don't drop that. It's nice waiting for it because it's like.
Is that your waiting for cotton candy face? It's gotta be gentle. It's gotta be a slow roll.
Oh, that looks like caramel.
That's caramelly right there.
3, 2, 1.
What is she doing?
Whoa!
Whoa, magic!
Whoa! Whoa! Hey! Caramel cocoon. It's a caramel. Oh!
How is that?
Here.
Is it tasty?
Oh! Not some of that. That tastes like caramel.
That is really tasty.
That was
Caramel! Miss Monkey, are you ready to do the peppermint? Hey! Are you gonna go green or red peppermint?
Want to do red? Yeah, red.
Yeah, go for red, go for red. Is that the red or the green peppermint?
Let's turn this off. Yeah, this is not really sticking.
Ooh.
We just gotta like,
Ooh, ooh.
just gotta take
Bring out the vacuum.
There's like shreds
I
of
know.
cotton candy.
Everywhere.
Oh my gosh.
There's like shreds everywhere.
Floating.
There's like
Oh
floating.
my
Oh
God.
my goodness.
This is peppermint.
Here, baby, try the peppermint one. Does it taste like peppermint?
Tastes so weird.
Ew. Papa's gonna be vacuuming.
You're gonna be vacuuming for like 4 weeks.
There's a lot of. All right, thumbs up or thumbs down for the peppermint grandmas?
Thumbs up, thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Now, was it easy to make like the lifesaver?
No.
It's like floating everywhere. Are you ready for the last one?
Yeah.
Mama, but you want to do the honors?
Ricola.
Cough drop cotton candy.
Okay.
Ew.
And then you're gonna have to put one right there.
Do you think it's gonna work? Cough drops?
Hi, my favorite women.
Aww, it's so sweet.
That's woman.
What happens is it heats up to a liquid and then,
Oh, it's the Ricola color.
oh, there we go. Oh, it's like a brownish yellow. Ew.
That's cool.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's actually not bad.
Can I try it?
When it's finished.
You have to have patience, Mama B.
Me?
Patience.
We just met.
She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes.
When she comes.
And she'll be coming around the mountain, she'll be coming around the mountains when she comes.
She'll be riding.
No.
When she comes. When she
All right, Mama B's gonna try it.
Try from here. Try from here.
Just whatever, it doesn't matter.
This, like looks the best.
All right.
Whoa!
How is that?
It's Ricola.
It's Ricola.
Ricola
Cotton candy.
That's
Try that,
Ricola.
That's so
cough drop cotton candy. These were 2 little drops. Oh, it tastes like cough drop.
Mama should have had the Jolly Ranchers or the lifesavers.
Oh, cough drops. Ironically, I'm coughing.
Try to do the cotton candy thing while we're
He's excited. He's excited.
Cloud.
Wow, you're really good at wrapping that.
Yeah, he's really good. Oh, silky smooth.
Mmm.
See, that's tasty. Oh, she's zenning out. Oh, she's sending out big time.
That is delicious.
The lifesaver. Do you want to make a warhead for Mama?
Yeah, sure.
All right, there you go. It's like a sticky mess here. No one said it was gonna be this sticky. While the warheads is being made for Mama, which one was your favorite today?
Probably Jolly Rancher. I enjoyed the Lifesaver because there was so much flavor.
All right. Lifesaver, yours was the Jolly Rancher?
Yeah.
Okay, mine was the Warhead. Let us know down in the comments below which one do you think would be the tastiest. And if you want to see another challenge, or if we should add some more candy to this in the next video, let us know down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Mama B, before we go, please try the Warheads cotton candy.
Take a big old
Take a big
bite.
old bite. Warheads cotton candy in 3, 2, 1.
Mmm. Mmm. It's so sour.
Yes!
Yay!
Yes! Yes! Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time. Now you guys get to clean up all this stuff.
Hey, whoa!